Welcome back. We cannot lose sight of how the drama that we've seen in the last year and a half in Kenosha all began. That was with the shooting of Jacob Blake by Kenosha police. That sparked the protests that brought Kyle Rittenhouse up here to this city in the first place. We want to bring in now B. Ivory Lamarr. He's the attorney for the Jacob Blake family. Were you watching on television as the verdict was read today?
Yes, I was.
And what was your reaction? You saw how Kyle Rittenhouse reacted. What were you thinking?
Well, unfortunately, our response wasn't as surprising. I think when you have an illusion of what we believe justice to have occurred in this process, I don't think that you're really surprised about the outcome. I mean, you have 20 jurors that were selected in one day on a very publicized case. When you have that, you can't expect that there not to be bias that exists in the jury pool. So unfortunately, though I'm very disappointed with the outcome, and the Blake family shares that sentiment, unfortunately, it's not surprising.
Attorneys like to watch other attorneys do their job and offer their criticism. I want to give you the chance now to talk about how the prosecution in this case did its job. There were times, the opening, some of the legal analysts said that the defense did a far better opening laying out the case than the prosecution did. As you sit back and look, were there missteps by the state in this case?
I think it's arguable whether, things could have been done differently. I think that it is important to recognize that there were certain limitations placed on the prosecution. As we are all aware, the prosecution was not allowed to refer to the decedents in this matter as victims. I think, however, they were able to refer to other individuals as individuals like arsonists and when you're able to have that type of imbalance, I think there's a lot of things that could have been done differently. Personally, I think that this was more of a reality show than a system that can really be respected as it relates to the way it was carried out. It also stems from, the defense, prosecution, the judge, and the jury. You have to look at all facets of it. And one thing that's I want to make clear is that as it relates to Jacob Blake, we want to make sure that the focus is not lost with Rittenhouse. This all started with the injustice that America watched when Jacob Blake was shot 7 times by simply walking away. You don't see the Milwaukee Bucks canceling a game for injustice that they thought occurred for Rittenhouse. You don't see the Green Bay Packers canceling practice. You don't see the NBA league, the NFL, the baseball league canceling anything under what they saw with Rittenhouse. But you did see that happen with Jacob Blake. So again, all the supporters who stood in solidarity with Jacob Blake, I think it's important that our mission and our intention to make a change in our society continues. And again, the work we have to do is something that we got to continue to strive for.
All right, B. Ivory Lamarr, we have to leave that there for now. Attorney for the Blake family, thank you so much for joining us tonight.